what's poppin'? It's your boy Giftedbarber, aka GB, aka #1 in the motherfucking wave king, you know what I'm saying? We back with another video. In this video, we're gonna be talking about brushes. Yes, sir. So if all my wavers in the building, yes, sir. Y'all know what time it is. Shout out to BK Brush King. He just dropped a whole new, you know what I'm saying? He dropped a whole new collection. I'm gonna catch y'all up on why I've been ghost for like 2-3 weeks, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. Let's go. Real quick, before we start the video, I just want to say my apologies. I've been out on these Facebook wave pages, you know. I'm #1 wave in the game right now. I expect people to be calling me out. Had a couple battles here and there. I keep a little hand sanitizer near me, so I keep my hands clean. Shout out to all the wavers that's out here putting in work daily. You know what I'm saying? I see y'all, helping y'all out. If you need help, hit my DM on Instagram, Facebook. I got you. So in today's video, I finally got my pack from Brush King. Shout out to Brush King. We're gonna be busting this thing open. Let me just tell you, I'm not gonna be breaking down all these brushes, but right now I'm gonna be showing you guys my collection, the brushes that I got, the brushes that I wanted. So it's time to get into this pack. Oh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, ski. So as I pull them out, I'm gonna tell y'all the number. If y'all like the brush, y'all can go get it. Alright, so the first brush we pulling out is this bad boy. This is 1180. Oval hard. To show y'all, this is one of my favorites. I've been waiting on it. Got all the other three. I think there's about 5 or 6 of them. Yes, sir, ski. They don't feel too hard. That's a perfect hard brush right there. Get into this next one. Going pretty fast with them. Oh my God, this is LeBron James at 118. You know what I'm saying? Oh, wee. You know what I'm saying? Then we got these two bad boys. So you got a hard, and you got a, I believe there's a soft. So this is the number 270. Oh man, Kobe. Let me show y'all. You know why we call this the Kobe? RP Mamba, baby. Bro, this is tough. Damn, I'm not even gonna use this. I should have got 2 of these. I'm not brushing with this. Look at this boy. The 280. This look like the LeBron too. This is a little burgundy red with a wet top mist. I wasn't in the wave game back when this came out. This is a medium. Look at this bad boy. Oh my God. Oh my God. I feel like premium bristles. White and red, baby, medium. You know, I should. Nah, not yet. So this is the 220. This is the clubby boy I wanted. 127. Y'all gonna get tired of me saying that. They got like a zebra print on it. It's a medium. Needed that in the collection. As y'all see, I love brushes. I like collecting them. They mean something to me. At the value later on, 2, 3, 5 years from now, y'all gonna be watching this video like, dang, GB, let me get that brush. Nah, this is the 106. Oh my God, I seen this drop. I was like, ooh, I need that. Look at this. I need, ooh. Ooh, bro, this is a softy. Nice. I believe this is a 10 roll. Oh, that look like that little baby over there. Like they look like sisters. This is my bad boy over there. Shout out to Certified Youth. Alright, we got one more, and I forgot to tell y'all. So at the end of the video, y'all pick a brush that y'all think is the giveaway brush. Bro, y'all see this? Medium joint, 9 roll. Like the bristles look like this blue and oh my God, this is the bad boy I was waiting on. This is the medium, 200. Oh my God. Yeah, I gotta try this one. What in the... Whoa, this one is getting put to work. Yes, sir. It don't feel hard at all. Let me get this factory dust up out of there. Oh my gosh, y'all see that? Alright, let me... Bro, this is gonna be my baby right here. I really thought this was gonna be my favorite brush. The new back. Oh my God. Shout out to BK. RP Mamba, man. So we got a few more brushes. This is the 1580. I never popped it open. Let's see what this bad boy hitting like. For the people that don't have it or never seen it. Softy. See this? What else we got over here? We got this bad boy. This is the 35 vertical. Got this in the cut. Never really popped it open. This is a softy. No, this is actually a medium. This is a medium brush. Yes, sir, ski. Bro, but let's get back to these two brushes right here. Shout out to Brush Connections. They gave me midweek heat. I dropped a little, you know what I'm saying, a nice little tip. Shout out to BC. They shot me these two brushes. They bought these two. Ooh, this is the TP102. Yeah, I could put this to work right here. I could put Alright, so this is gonna be the last brush we got on the list today. This is that 250 Green Bay Packer color. This is a nice medium, a true medium. Man, I think I gotta fill these brushes out now. Now it's time to fill these brushes. I don't know. It's just I gotta feel what they feel like, you know what I'm saying? Oh my God. So this definitely feel like a good medium. Oh my God. See this firm softy joint right here, like, yes sir. It's the 102. Yeah, I could put this to work right here. I could put 220. I know I'm gonna be putting this to work. Bro, I feel like premium bristles. And y'all see it's time for a haircut, man, but you know what I'm saying, I still gotta put in work. We still brushing. I think it's this one. Yeah, I gotta try this one. What in the... Whoa, this one is getting put to work. Yes sir. Bro, yeah. I'm about to go get a good session in right now with this bad boy right here. So yes, I will be choosing the giveaway winner in my next video, but you have to be subscribed to my channel and following me on IG at Giftedbarber. So make sure you guys follow me. Someone will be winning a brush. Yes sir. I just feel like I just gotta keep giving back as my channel grows. This is just one of the giveaways. Random giveaways. Out on my last video, we did a recap of Atlanta Toronto Brothers meetup. Bro, that video is fire. Y'all need to go check that out. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe for your boy. Share it with somebody you want to enter the giveaway. Comment down below right now. Till next video, GB, I'm out of here.